Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Weebly password. Whether you've forgotten your login details or simply want to update your security, this straightforward process will get you back into your account in no time. First, open your browser and navigate to Weebly.com. Once you're on the homepage, look for the login button and click it. This will take you to the login screen where you'll need to enter your email address or username in the provided field. After typing in your credentials, click Next to proceed to the password entry page. Now here's where we address the password reset. Instead of entering your password, look below the password field for the Forgot Password link and click on it. This option is specifically designed for situations just like this, allowing you to regain access to your account securely. After clicking Forgot Password, you'll be directed to a recovery page. Here you'll need to insert your email address or phone number associated with your Weebly account. Make sure you enter the correct information, as this is where Weebly will send the reset instructions. Once you've entered your email or phone number, click the Send Instruction button. At this point, Weebly has sent a recovery email to your inbox. Open your Gmail account or whichever email service you use to register with Weebly and check your inbox. Look for an email from Weebly with the subject line related to password reset. If you don't see it immediately in your main inbox, be sure to check your spam or junk folder, as sometimes these automated emails can end up there. Once you've located the email, open it and carefully read the instructions provided. The email will contain a link or specific steps to follow that will guide you through creating a new password. Click on the reset link in the email, which will redirect you to a secure page where you can enter your new password. Choose a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and special characters for better security. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Weebly password and regained access to your account. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.